Ever find it tough to rustle up healthy snacks for those busy days? Welcome to 5 DIY healthy snack ideas for work or school. The quest for convenient, nutritious, and delectable snacks doesn't have to be daunting. First up, we have protein-packed quinoa bites. These tiny powerhouses are filled with quinoa, eggs, and your choice of veggies. Bake them the night before, and voila, you have your on-the-go energy boost. Next, try chia seed pudding. Blend chia seeds with almond milk and honey, refrigerate overnight, top with your favorite fruits, and enjoy a fiber-rich snack. Thirdly, consider homemade granola bars. Combine oats, nuts, and dried fruits with a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Bake, cool, and cut into bars for a snack full of whole grains. Fourth, relish some hummus with veggies. Blend chickpeas, tahini, garlic, and lemon juice for a protein-filled treat. Pair with fresh veggies for an added crunch. Lastly, savor some fruit and nut yogurt parfaits. Layer yogurt, fruits, and nuts in a jar for a dairy-rich snack that's also high in antioxidants. Remember, snacking healthily doesn't have to be a chore. These ideas are simple, versatile, and perfect for a busy schedule. So give these recipes a spin, share your favorite, and click that subscribe button for more delicious ideas. Happy snacking!